welcome to From the Bank with Dante. Today we're fishing at Manor Farm, and what we're doing is we're fishing for chub at Manor Farm in Ham Preston on the Dorset Stour, and I'm just going to show you my rig. First, what I've got is cage feeder. It's a helicopter rig. I've got a cage feeder on the end, and then coming down to the helicopter bit there with a bit of bread flake on the end. And I'm just fishing, if you can see out there, if you turn the camera around, the river. I've got, fishing for chub. I mixed up my ground bait here last night, and I've got bread mixed with casters and a few dead maggots. So I'm just going to plug up my feeder with that. We had a good chat to the bailiff and asked exactly which baits to use, and he strongly suggested this. So I'm confident in fish. Sorry I haven't been with you for a while now, but there we go. Now there's feed, and I'm just pushing it in quite hard because I don't want it to burst out instantly. I'm just gonna stand up for the cast. And I just got my reel loaded with 8-pound line, 8-pound drilling flex something, and I'm just going to give that now. Sorry about that. I do not know what went wrong with it. Oh, well, my clap reel just jammed, so fill that up again.
Shall I cut this?
No. There we go. Squeeze it up, squeeze a bit in the end. There's a nice feeder made up. There we go. There's the feeder, like that. It's a bit of a better one. I'm getting another one a bit odd. Not as fish with a cage feeder for you either.
Dan, you got muck on your reel.
Oh good. Well, that would have been stopping it. Right, there we go, that'll do. Stand down my car. See, it's been worn down by people standing here and casting. Just tell them what over my rod. Oh my. I can just. And there we go. I'll just down. I've got it on the quicker tip. So I'm just going to watch it now, and hopefully we'll see you when we catch a fish. Right, well, sorry about that, we couldn't film, but just there we go. There is a lovely, lovely chub there. That's actually my first chub, since I've never caught a chub before. I was really looking forward to coming down to after this session, doing a bit of chub fishing, and it has paid off. We spent a long time asking loads of people to advise spots, baits, and we turned out that bread was definitely the best bait here. I love naturals here, and it has paid off. We have caught this lovely, lovely chub. But we'll just stop the video now, and we'll get, I don't think we'll weigh him, he's only about a pound, and we'll get a picture, since this is my first. Well, sorry I haven't seen you for a while now. I've actually moved down a lot of swims, and I thought I might as well change from maggots, from bread to maggots, and I've just caught, reeling into new swim, I've just caught this lovely little grayling. Look at that. Isn't that a nice fish? That's my first grayling. Caught a lot of first fish today. It's pretty bad. I think it's a shame, because you can feel when it's stuck. I think I can feel where the eggs would be, so No, deeper than I thought. Look there. Out there. It's as big as there, but just breathe it. And it should just now swim off. There we go. And there it goes. And there it goes. So I think that, you never know, we might stay in this one, I think, a bit longer. See if I can catch another one. Because I think I'm not a gradient shellfish, I don't know. But I think I'll try and get another one. I didn't see the bites. You know, with the current here, it's really, really hard to see a bite. So, you know, I was just reading the rod in to move swim. I already popped my gear at this point. And I landed it. You know, when I saw it in the waterfall, you know, it's barbled. You know, but now it's grayling. So that was a lovely, lovely fish to catch. But I'll see you when we catch another fish, since we haven't got that long much. No, hope I definitely do catch another fish.
Jen?
Well, that's sadly the last fish for us on the session, I think. We've run out of time, it's now 1 o'clock, and we just come for a morning session. But I think that's definitely, is that chub, or I think that's a little chub. It might be a roach or an extremely large dace. I think that's definitely a chub. But that's the last fish of the session. We've had 3 fish this session. Been quite a quiet day. I'm just going to put this thing back. Back, but it's time to say bye for now, and we'll see you on the next video. Well, I think we're going to be hopefully doing some maggot feeder fishing back on a commercial venue, but we'll see you on the next video for more action.